In this video we are going to see about second hook use effect. This will be more useful in your project. Mainly we will use two hooks. One is used and another one is use effect only. In here you are where and all we can use this means it will allow you to perform side effects in your components. For example, if you need to fetch a data on the first screen render, then you can go with use effect. And also it is directly updating the DOM based upon some kind of timers you need to add, like those things and all you can perform inside use effect. Use effect will accept two arguments. The second argument is optional only actually. In here you can see this. This is a one full arguments. This is does not having dependencies. This dependency is a second arguments. If you need it, you can pass it, else you can leave it. If you are not passing this dependency, then it will automatically runs on every render. That means whenever anything is updated, the user will call again and again. For example, inside the state use state, if you are modifying anything, then inside this will call again and again. If you want to avoid those things, you can pass a empty dependency. This means this is an empty array. This inside use effect it named as a dependencies. If you are passing empty dependencies, then it will run only once of the first render. Whenever that components call, the time only one time it will render. This is we can pass it. Else if you want to render those things again and again based upon the state or prop changes, then you can pass that name or state inside that dependencies. This is there we are having three types. This is a three types. Mostly based upon the condition we can use it however we want. And here they are having one count and set count. This is the use state. And here what we are doing is we need to do the timer in it. So we are calling this function in this use effect. We are adding an empty brackets. So that's why it will call only once when the component is called. Then what it will do, it is in zero count, then it will add count plus 1 and then it set it to the set count. Then this count value will automatically increase to 1 on the first time only. That itself we are adding inside set timeout as a 1 seconds. So after 1 seconds it will update. Just will go here and we can able to see this. After 1 seconds it will render only one time. Actually we just copy this state and those things and we will go and paste it inside our sample project. Actually this use effect should be above written, so I'm adding here. And then this state count state, no, I'm just copying and adding it here. You can add it like this. Mostly use effect will add it in down. Here we are having the set timeout. We are having this empty dependencies only. So just I'm h2 equal to, I'm just doing that count. Actually that is here, there is nothing is here. Just I'm saving and we'll see that the use effect is not defined. So in previously we just imported use state, so now we are going to import this use effect as well and just save it. You can able to see actually the color issue, so we can color it as style equal to color red, and you can able to see that in here you're getting this value. So I'm just refreshing. After one time it is getting 2. Why it is getting 2? Okay, count is here. For every state render it will render for the first times. If you want to render it again and again based upon the count changes, then I'm passing props here and save it. Then you can able to see it will render for every seconds. It won't stop. If you want to stop it, then you need to add clear timeout. And also you can stop it inside return based upon some conditions or something. In class components we will call it as a component did mount. This return should be component will unmount. So those things will differ. So here you can able to see this is rendering again and again. Once you are refreshing also it will able to render again and again. So this kind of things you can do it in a use effect. Mainly we can pass their dependencies. If you're passing dependencies based upon this dependency changes, this inside things will call again and again. And also like if you want to render only one time, don't pass this dependency used as a empty. Mostly pass empty dependencies or else some arrays inside that, then it will works for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubts, comment it in the comment box.